Hello, good afternoon. I hope you're doing well. I'm Arsalan, and I'm here to talk about the best trading bots, where the bots work alongside you. It's about 5:36 p.m. right now, and I'm close to the club team. Today, I was discussing Bitcoin for about 5 minutes, specifically the banking strategy bot, which is the best-selling assistant bot because it's really simple and easy to work with. Our team has experts in different bots. After purchasing, you get a subscription from 1 month to a year. On your chart, it activates upon clicking, following the strategy. Avoid emotional decisions to reduce market noise. The 5-minute time frame is noisy. I'll show you the regular candles and their fluctuations. What about your charter and personal mobile? The laptop gets added, and once you click it, it activates, and we proceed according to the strategy. We've created a ton of educational videos on what to do. The first thing we do is to avoid getting too emotional because it helps reduce market noise. The 5-minute time frame has a lot of noise, and that's one of the reasons. I just want to show you how much profit there has been from the beginning of today until now. You can see this is the 18th candle, and you can see it's moving. I'll just show you the regular candles and how they're fluctuating. As you can see, we're live, and the market is flowing. It's about 5:40 p.m., and we want to analyze a few candles from the beginning of the 18th until now, which is about 17 hours ago. Let's see how much profit we've made. We'll start from the end and go back to the beginning. The last signal I received was at 5:40 p.m. Call me a red heart, without a doubt an alpha heart. If you don't understand, watch the instructional video. I explain 2 strategies here. You're getting into high-risk scenarios, and let's see how much profit it's given. I'll quickly write down the meaning of the name for you. So this profit has become 0.19, and I'm trading with a leverage of 10, which means it's a 1.9% profit. Exactly. Yes, this is it. I got a signal at 11:50, and it came with a small correction tomorrow. This is the 14th one. Let me bring it here. It's 1.4 because I'm using a leverage of 10, so for wins and losses, it becomes 2.5 on the other side. I'll do it this way and bring it here. 1.4 since I take a leverage of 10. For both winning and losing, it will be 10. Let me tell you, here we need to enter one alpha signal. It was around 10:30 a.m. when I set it up, and the free behavior dropped right there. 30.04% due to the lower time frame. On a higher time frame, the percentage increases, but signals decrease. Use larger leverage. It becomes 3.4. So with leverage of 10, that's 3.4%. Manage the alpha signal. These don't appear at this hour. At 7:30 a.m., a strong signal was given, but the red signal hasn't appeared. We're waiting for it to break the support level, the dotted line. When it breaks, we'll have a strong day. It's an alpha day, part of the alpha class rules. They're adjusting, and when the market is strong, we'll enter. We'll set a stop loss, but the previous candle isn't enough to enter again. At 7:30 a.m., a signal was given, and it came with a strong indication for us, but the red signal hasn't shown up yet. We're waiting for it to break this support level, the dotted line. When it breaks, we'll have a strong day. We've established that it's an alpha day, which is part of the alpha class rules. They're making adjustments, and when the market is strong, we'll enter. We'll set a stop loss, but the previous candle isn't enough to enter again. Here it is. 17. So that makes it 1.7% for you. The next alpha gave us 0.13. At 4 a.m., a green candle signal appeared, and the alpha green signal is here. Both are visible. So that makes it 1.3. Let me tell you, this is really good. At 4 a.m., a signal came in with a green candle and the alpha green signal is coming in. I pulled it and these 2 signals can be seen. And at 7:30 it's dark, but that doesn't matter. You hit the stop loss and let it go, but it was a big one. It gave us a 1.4% profit here, and we're really thankful for that 4% it gave us. And at 7:30 it's dark, but that doesn't matter. You hit the stop loss and let it go, but it was a big one. It gave us a 1.4% profit here, and we're really thankful for that 4% it gave us. Let me tell you that Ah, the first signal today was at 1:50 a.m., and it's been like a blockage since then, just like Javad Keyberry. It's turned red. The accounts aren't high enough to enter at 1.5 or 2.14. It's really easy and comfortable for you. What more do you want? I don't know. Just hit the calculator. Let's see how much time is left until Zara. I took a leverage of 10 since the skeleton is on a lower time frame. You can also take larger leverages, but that's it. It's the same thing. I did myself. I did it for you. I'm telling you, we had 1.24 tenths here, and we had 1.4 here. Come over here. We had 1.3 here. We had 1.7 here. What else were you saying? We had 1.3 and 4 here. We had a stop at 1.4 minus 1. 4 out of 10. Let me tell you, we had 1 at 1.9 here. 1.9. That's it. What happened? It was around 11:30, if I'm not mistaken. It went up to 1.9, 1.5 somewhere, and the calculator shows up to 13.4. 13% in one day, just in a 1 and 1.5 time frame. So if I show you this relationship, let's go to this 1-minute video. Check out the number of signals. If you go to this video, you will see a 15-minute signal repetition, and then we will go to Forex for 3 minutes. These things are really important. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, come message me on Telegram support, and we can chat. But it's pretty straightforward. You can buy and add it to the chart. Just follow these tutorials and stick to your determination. Follow these tutorials and stick to your determination.